A SEER Data dashboard is a shareable page for telling your data story in a visual and culturally appropriate way. Let's create one together. Start by clicking Dashboards in the navigation bar. You can make a dashboard from scratch by simply clicking Create Dashboard. For this example, we're going to start with a SEER Data curated dashboard. These have been built by the SEER Data team as templates to help you get started. Choose one of these and take a look at the template. To make the template your own, click Actions, then Duplicate. You will now be editing your duplicated copy of the template. Click Edit. It's a good idea at this stage to name your new dashboard. We now see a Content tab and a Body tab. The Body tab will allow you to change general visual elements of your dashboard, such as text color and background image. The Content tab has a variety of different content blocks you can click, drag and drop into your dashboard canvas. We're going to start by adding some columns. Once you have dragged a content block into your dashboard canvas, that block's configuration panel will appear to the right of the canvas. Each block type has different properties. Columns are the building blocks for your layout. They can be resized by dragging them. We'll exit this block's configuration panel. Let's add an insight to the dashboard. Drag and drop the insight block into a free space on the canvas. Click to open the panel, then select or paste any insight you can access on the SEER Data platform. Some of the other types of content available include videos, filters, forms, and HTML. Always remember to save your dashboard before exiting. Finally, let's share your new dashboard. Click on the Share Dashboard button or click on the Actions drop-down and then Manage Access. Varying levels of access can be granted by dashboard owners. These are Public Link Access, Read-Only Access, Full Access, and HTML Embed Code. This is one of many examples of an organisation embedding their dashboard on their public-facing website.